Welcome to Justo Consulting channel. Justo Consulting LLC is one of the fastest growing digital marketing and web solutions company. In this video we are going to learn about what is on-page and off-page SEO and difference between both of them. So let's start this. On-page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, refers to the practice of optimizing web pages to improve a website's search engine rankings and earn organic traffic. In addition to publishing relevant, high-quality content, on-page SEO includes optimizing your headlines, HTML tags, title, meta, and header, and images. On-page SEO factors include title tags. Title tags, also called page titles, are HTML tags that, as you probably guessed, define the title of the page and describe what the content on the page will be about. When looking for content that's relevant to a user's query, Google relies on the keywords in title tags, among other things, to decide whether or not a page is topically related. Pro tip is, when you optimize your title tags, make sure the length is between 50 to 70 or not more than that. Meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are, like title tags, HTML tags that help describe what the page is about. While Google does use descriptions when deciding if a page is relevant to a query, their main SEO function is to encourage people to click through to your site from search results. Pro tip is, when you optimize your meta description, make sure the length is between 150 to 160 or not more than that. Content quality is how well your content achieves its goals. It refers to the depth of information and insight contained within a piece of content. Content quality goes beyond information to include formatting, readability, and grammatical correctness. Image alt text. Alt text for images is very important for SEO and is a key contributing search engine ranking factor. Alt tags provide context to what an image is displaying, informing search engine crawlers and allowing them to index an image correctly. Now move on to the off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, also called off-site SEO, refers to actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. Off-page SEO factors include backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. They are also known as inbound links or external links. Backlinks are important because they help to improve the credibility and authority of your website. Social media can be an effective part of an off-page SEO strategy. By promoting your website on social media platforms, you can increase its visibility and drive traffic to your website. This can help to improve the credibility and authority of your website in the eyes of search engines. Google My Business is a free tool that allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google, including in search results and on Google Maps. GMB is an important part of local SEO, as it helps businesses to attract customers from nearby areas. Now move on to the difference between both on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing individual web pages, while off-page SEO focuses on improving a website's authority and credibility through external links and other signals. Both are important for a successful SEO strategy, and they work together to help a website rank higher in search engine results. If you have any question with respect to this video, so you comment down, we will surely revert back, and you can also visit our website for additional inquiry. Hit like and subscribe button for digital marketing videos.